Presenting Redmi 4K Ultra HD Android Smart LED TV. This TV comes in 4 size variants as 43 inches, 50 inches, 55 inches and 65 inches. The TV has 3840 by 2160 pixels resolution and 60 Hz of refresh rate. The 4K LED panel, Dolby Vision, HDR10, HLG, Reality Flow, Vivid Picture Engine and MEMC provides crystal clear picture for a theatre-like experience. The TV features Android TV 10, PatchWall 4 with IMDb integration, quad-core processor, built-in Wi-Fi, Chromecast built-in, OK Google, Auto Low Latency Mode, 2GB RAM with 16GB storage and Miracast. This smart TV supports Prime Video, Netflix, Disney+, Hotstar, YouTube, Apple TV and more than 5,000 apps from Play Store. The TV features Wi-Fi, USB, Ethernet and HDMI for easy connectivity. The 30 watts output, Dolby Audio DTS Virtual X, Dolby Atmos Passthrough eARC and DTS-HD ensure a theatre-like sound effect. Inside the box you will find one LED TV, 2 table stand bases, 1 user manual, 1 remote control and 4 screws. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery per your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.